Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today we're gonna clean out this mess called junk drawer. This drawer actually was not supposed to be a junk drawer. It was meant to be electronic drawer, but somehow we started putting everything inside. As you can see, there is everything from charging cables to some kind of papers and receipts, lotions, sanitizers. I mean, there's everything, and I'm gonna clean that out and organize it nicely. So if you like these type of videos, please stick around. So first I'll take everything out of the drawer and right away toss everything that I don't need anymore, like receipts, some spare papers, and anything that's not going to go back in a drawer. There was a lot of crumbs and a lot of dirt in the drawer, so I'm gonna clean it out. And the next thing, I'm gonna start sorting the things that I took out of the drawer in a little pile, so I see how many things I'm gonna be putting back in a drawer. So you don't know what you're doing. I wanted to have some kind of organizer or dividers in a drawer, but I did not want to go ahead and spend a lot of money on it. So I decided to get a poster board from a dollar store, and I'm gonna make my dividers from it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. First thing I needed to do is to measure my drawer lengthwise, because I wanted my dividers to be lengthwise, and I also measured the height of a drawer. Then I went to a garage, took my poster board, and I measured out the strips I'm gonna be cutting. The poster board is very easy to cut. If you ever worked with it, you know that the X-Acto knife or any kind of utility knife is enough to just cut the line, and then literally it just snaps off. If you ever think it's pointless. Now that I have my strips, I'm gonna put them back in a drawer, and I'm gonna adjust them left or right depending on how many things I want to put in each divided space. We can breathe. Now that I have everything sorted the way I want it, I'm gonna take a little bit of hot glue and just put it on the sides and on the bottom and attach it to my drawer. Hot glue is great because you can remove it whenever you want it. And my drawer is done. It was so easy to do, and I just wonder why I haven't done this earlier. I hope our drawer will stay this way. I'm gonna do my best. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot my channel. And subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I would love to have you. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.